Hello everyone, welcome back. And next topic in ECMAScript 6, create a module script. JavaScript started with a small role to play on an otherwise mostly HTML web. Today it's huge and some websites are built almost entirely with JavaScript. In order to make JavaScript more modular, clean and maintainable, ES6 introduced a way to easily share code among JavaScript files. This involves exporting parts of file for use in one or more other files and importing the parts you need where you need them. In order to take advantage of this functionality, you need to create a script in your HTML document with a type of module. Here is an example. A script type module source filename.js and a script. A script that uses this module type can now use the import and export features you will learn about in the upcoming challenges. So the task for this challenge, add the script to HTML document of type module. Give it the source file name of index.js. So first of all, starting from here, a script type equal to module and source equal to index.js, and afterward to close it as the script we use this. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.